Se mi stacca un po' il paccio non è colpa tua. Minchia, sei un assassino. After a couple of sprints, we are here. We have artificial lake, mountains all around, with the glacier over there. This place where I am right now is pretty popular because unfortunately 1 month ago one big piece of ice dropped off from the mountains over there. It killed some people. The temperature here going really high. Probably that's the reason. I'm gonna show you later where actually drop off. Now we are going all around the lake. We see if I can fly the drone in here, and then I'm gonna show you there. So there is a big hole where you can see is the piece of ice that drop off from the mountains and kill some people, unfortunately. From here the perspective doesn't look like really big, but trust me, it's massive. Let's go around the lake. So how you can see from the video, we couldn't go anywhere because how I explained you last time, from there the ice dropped, so all the area here is blocked for security reason. So we just stay here, we drink, so we came here just to get tipsy. But I flew the drone, today we chilled. That's everything for today, I think. Anyway, this place is called Marmolada. If you wanna see in internet, you can see the news about the bad things happen. See ya guys. Ciao. Good morning guys. Last day of our holiday. We are already on the way to go to Bologna. But before we go to Bologna, we stop in here because on top of it there we need to go like 45 minutes walking, going up. There is a restaurant that is like pretty famous. To quit our holiday, we're gonna go there and we're gonna have a really nice lunch. I think it's gonna be a nice view. Let's see, let's go.
place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good.
And that's it. So after a beautiful meal in that shelter over there, and after the rain that we catched today, we are back to the car and we're gonna drive now definitely to Bologna. So probably this one is the last video from here. That's it, we are done. So ciao.